Hey, it's Gina with WTI. If you live in an area that you have to wear coats in the fall, winter, and spring like I do, then you know how wonderful it is to have a variety of things that you can wear. And this coat that I got from BEINF has been so perfect, not just for using with casual dress, but also for fun things when we dress up like going out to the symphony. I love how soft and comfortable this coat is. There's no itchiness to it at all. There were a few wrinkles when it came in the mail, so I just threw it in my dryer for about 20 minutes on air mode, and all of them came out. I get so many compliments on this coat. I got the oatmeal color in size small/medium. I am 140 pounds and 5'4". This fits me on the roomy side, which is so nice for this time of year because I like to layer it up underneath. I like to roll up the sleeves once to give it just a little bit more of a sporty look. They're a tiny bit long on me, so that works out perfectly. It secures with a tie that is removable, and this fits perfectly around my waist. This hits me at mid-thigh, and I love that it has a little bit of swing to it. It just gives it a really nice flowy look. BEINF has other colors that you can choose from, so you could just get one to go with every outfit. Although this oatmeal color that I got is nicely neutral, and I found that it goes with pretty much any color. I'm so pleased with this coat. It has exceeded my expectations, and that's my point of view.